In this session, I would like to show my COVID-19 dashboard that I've created just now, and most importantly, we'll try to learn how we can publish it and share the dashboard with other people as well. Before getting into the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, Code Gems. First, we'll discuss about the visualization used in this fully dynamic and interactive dashboard. While creating COVID-19 dashboard is very much important to show the countries. This will be the first thing noticed by the users that are using your dashboard. People from different parts of the world will select their countries to experience the current data of their country. For this purpose, taking into consideration, I used slicer visualization on the very left of my website. This is my slicer visualization, and this is my visualization panel. So if I hover over it, I can see this slicer enabled, and from which you can see all the countries affected by COVID-19. I use format options to give some styling, like the colors and background colors and this panel colors. All have been done through this format options. You can also have the PBIX file to see my dashboard in your Power BI desktop account, and I've already shared the authentic data source in the description below. On the extreme right of the canvas, we have the world map pointing out the countries affected with the COVID-19 in terms of world map visualization. If I go to the focus mode, and you can see over here, we have all the countries affected by the COVID-19, and here I added some, you can see in the tooltip that we have active cases, new deaths, serious and critical conditions of the patients, total cases, total deaths, and total recovered patients. So this has been done with the fields, and going towards into the tooltip section, I put all the fields from the field section over here, COVID-19. I drop all of the fields to the tooltip section, so you can see over here, this is how this data is so much useful for us. If we hover to any country, it will give all scenarios all together. Now back to the report area. Now let's talk about the heading. This COVID-19 global cases. I use a text box from the home tab over here. This is the home tab. Click over here, and this is the text box to have the heading, or if you want to define any text, so you can use this text box. After that, I place 8 boxes so the user can easily view the counting of the new deaths, total cases, active cases, serious and critical conditions, total deaths, new cases, total recovered, and total cases per 1 million population. And after that, I use some charts to present the data in a graphical format. I use this donut chart and stack column chart to view the data. If I go to focus mode of the donut chart, so you can see over here I have all the countries mentioned over here, and this is the chart represent the data with all countries with the total deaths. You can see over here the total deaths are present in the numerical format, and in the percentage format as well. Go back to the report. Now we talk about some the stack column chart. If I go to my visualization, so you can see over here the stack column chart is activated, and I took all the countries, and this chart representing the total recovered patients. If I go and hover over to the South Korea, so you can see over here we have 2909 patients have been recovered in South Korea. So we have this data with the help of this what you can say his toolbar or scroll bar. In fact, go back to the report. So this is our the COVID-19 Power BI fully interactive compelling dashboard, and I'll tell you how you can publish it to the world, and also how you people can embed into your HTML or WordPress website separately. From now onwards, I'll talk about the Power BI services. For example, if you have designed your dashboard using Power BI desktop and now you'd like to share it with the online audience, so you have to float this dashboard into your Power BI service account, and then you can easily share your dashboard through email with the online audience. Again, for the get started, click on try free. Now you will lead to the sign up page. Here I would like to remind you about the email addresses. Power BI services don't allow you to use free Outlook, Yahoo or Gmail services. In order to sign up, get your company email address like this. Click sign up. And did you get your email address from your company? Yes. Now create your account. Now you'll have the verification code on your email address. Copy and paste from there. Now click start. Now you can invite people from your organization to share the dashboard, but for now I'll skip it. Now you can see we are about to use Power BI services. Now I'll go back to my dashboard and go to the home tab, publish. Before making publish, we click on save. It'll ask my sign-in email address. I'll provide my email address over here and hit on sign in. Now I'll provide a password of my email address and hit sign in again. Now I will select my workspace. Now you can see that my dashboard is now publishing to the Power BI services. Now click on got it. So here you go, our dataset is ready now. View dataset. So if you will experience its interface, so it's pretty much resembles to the Power BI desktop, but it does not have tools like Power Pivot and Power Query. So it means the data cleansing, or if you want to apply DAX functions, you have to use Power BI desktop. So I go to my workspace and in the reports, and this section will be integrated into the dashboard section. So you can see over here in the reports we have our dashboard available with all those interactivity that we experienced in the Power BI desktop. To make this the part of dashboard, I will click on the pin live button. Give it a name, and you have the preview of your dashboard in the left section. Hit on pin live. So now you have the pin to dashboard notification over here. So now upon clicking to the dashboard over here, we can see we have COVID-19 Power BI desktop dashboard is available in the Power BI services, and we can experience its the data. All the dashboard is interactive, compelling, and working just like in the Power BI desktop. Now I wish to share with my colleagues, so I will go over here to the share this dashboard button and click over here and provide the email address of my colleague and give some description. This is my first dashboard, and click to the share. So this dashboard has been shared to your company colleague. Now if you want to publish this or you can say embed this dashboard into your WordPress website, so what you're gonna do, you'll go to reports and click on the COVID-19 report, and from there you will go to file and click this embed option over here. So we have two things. We have the direct link. If you click over here and paste it directly into the browser, so you will see the dashboard like this. So here you go, you have that dashboard view of like you have browser view over here, and if we this one is the iframe that we'll copy over here and go to your WordPress website, go to pages, add new, give the name of the page, new dashboard, and paste the embed code, publish it, view the page, so here you can see you have the dashboard just like you created in the Power BI desktop. I'll go back to my edit page and should remove this sidebar to have a good view. Full width template, selecting and then refresh. So here you go, we have the current data from this active source, and this is the complete dashboard of Power BI desktop embedding into the WordPress website. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and this is a comprehensive tutorial of creating your dashboard to publishing your dashboard to the online audience. And in this tutorial you also learn how you can embed your code into your WordPress website.